Hey, what are you guys doing?
We want to play in this house.
It's a bird house. You guys are gonna get the bird flu.
Huh? What is a bird flu?
It's when you get sick.
When you go inside there, someone is going to have the bird flu.
You too, because you guys were playing with it. What are you doing in there, Maya Lee? Huh? What are you doing in there?
He wants to say, he said, please, he wants to sit there.
Say cheese.
Please.
Everybody say what's up.
Say what's up, Marley.
This is going up on YouTube. How the bird flu came out. The bird flu in West. Hey! In South Texas, in West Texas.
What is this?
The bird flu. That's where the bird flu comes from. That's it. You better watch out. Don't touch me.
What?
I don't want the bird flu. You see all those. You guys are gonna turn into pigeons. The bird flu.
They want to go inside there.
You wanna go in there too?
Yeah.
I don't think you can fit.
Yes, we're gonna fit.
What? The bird flu cages.
Those today doesn't want the bird flu.
She's the main one.
Huh?
She's the main one.
She don't want.
We got symptoms of this bird flu, man.
Marley pinched me.
Yeah, that's why Estrella's getting out. She's smart. Go, Estrella, go. Go.